guys, welcome to my MIT App Inventor 2 tutorial on how to make a Pong game. Before I get started, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support on the last video. The link to that will be down in the description. And if you liked this video, hit that like button. If you really liked it, hit that subscribe button for more. I will post videos every Tuesday and Thursday, even when I'm on vacation, because you guys are the best. And if no one else says they love you today, I do. So, let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
Alright, here we go. So, first off, what do we need to do? We need to add a horizontal arrangement. Bum, bum, bum. Don't you just love those? They arrange everything nice and neat and horizontally. So, we're going to put one label in. And then, we're going to put another label in. Yippee-ki-yay, right? And then we're going to put two buttons in. 1, 2. And to make this horizontal arrangement just a little bit more neat, we're going to center it vertically. See how that puts the labels in the middle? So label 1 is going to be our score. Label 2, oh, I forgot our little colon. Label 2 is going to be our actual score, so like the actual number, and we're going to rename that score so we know which block we are programming. Text for button 1 will be, what do I want to make it? I think I'm going to call this start, and I'm going to call this one reset. So we're just going to name button 1 S, and we're going to name button 2 R, like a pirate. R. Alright, so next we're going to set our horizontal arrangement to fill the screen that way. And can we center these to the one side? I've never done this before. No. So what we're going to do is just make our label a little bit bigger. Ta-da! That pushes them over to the side. I'm going to capitalize reset because it just felt wrong to me. So, next step in making this amazing thingamabobber Pong game is to add a canvas. What this canvas is, this is just so the ball can move around. So height, fill parent, width, fill the parent. Then we're going to put a ball on here. We're going to change the radius to, I'd say, about 20? Yeah, 20 works. Actually, let's do 21. Legal drinking age, kids. Alright, and next we're going to put in an I can't decide if I want to use an image sprite or not. It's kind of a toughie there. So what we're going to do is, I thought you could change the background of image sprites without having to put a picture in, but that's alright. So we're going to just upload a file here, choose a file. Why not use our YouTube banner? Okay. Hey guys, so when I went to upload the banner, it kind of crashed the game, and App Inventor, and the banner's a little bit big. So what we're going to do here is we're going to downsize this to about 30 pixels wide. Whoa, where'd it go? Where did it go? Automatic. This could be an issue. So we're going to just center the big R logo right in the middle. And we're going to make width pixels 30. Okay. And I still don't know where it went. Height pixels 30. Okay. And it's gone. Well, that's an issue. So what do we want to do to fix this? I think I'm going to go back to automatic on width and automatic on height and see if I can't find it. Or center it in a way that will get it to work. So, actually let's center this at 0. 0. So this should just put it in the dead center if I'm correct. Or change it to fill parent so it only stays like in the thingy. Did that fix it? It did not fix it. Alright, so we're going to set you back to 0. We're going to set you back to 0. And now we should be able to bring the width down to say 100 pixels. Oh, hey, we fixed it, sorta. And then bring the height down to 100 pixels. Okay. We almost fixed it completely. So our height, I'm going to bring this down to 50. Alright, and our width, I'm going to bring that down to about 90. Perfect. Okay, so our slider, it's a little bit bigger than I wanted, but I could always change that by making the height, say 40 and cut it off. Oh no, it just makes it smaller. Uh-oh. Let's try something here. We're going to go 60 height, and then 50 width. Ew, no. Because what I'm worried about is if you see the white space above the banner, what that does is that's where the ball is going to collide, and it's just going to bounce off that white space. So I need to get it just about lined up. So we're going to go 60 wide. No, not 60 wide. We need to go wide. So I say 100 wide. Okay. And then, oh, that's almost perfect. So height, bring the height down to, say, 55. And that should get it almost perfect on the thingy. Oh, no, 55 too little. 57. We're going to go with that because it's pretty much perfect. And that is it for getting set up. Next, we're going to go into our blocks. So, let's get this going. Our first thing we're going to add is when button start is clicked. We're going to... Oh, wait, did I forget something? I think I forgot something. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see what happens when we test it with our Candy Dandy Great Fancy Emulator. That's okay. So we're going to set ball 1, heading. We're also going to need to set, so we're going to Control-C, Control-V this a bunch. Who's ready for this? Here we go. Control-V, Control-V. Alright, we only need 4 of those, so we're good to go on that. We're going to change one of these to interval. We're going to change one of these to heading again. I'll explain that in a little bit, guys. And then we're going to change one to speed. So first off, we're going to need a logic block. True. So this is just going to set the ball in motion, if I'm correct. And I can't put a true block in that. That's... Oh, enabled. Duh. I read that wrong on my notes. I'm sorry, guys. So we're going to set our interval to 10. We're going to set our heading to a random number between 225 and 315. This will just have the ball going in a general down direction, which is good. It doesn't give it like a set direction. It gives it a random direction, which will be really nice because it'll give a sense of randomness to the game. So we're going to set that 225, and we're going to set this to 315. And we're going to set our ball speed here to 7. Lucky number 7. I don't know if that's an actual lucky number. Alright, and then we need to, so whenever the start thing is clicked, we need to have the ball move to us back to its set location. So we're going to have ball 1 move to X is going to be canvas width divided by 2. So we need to find our division. We need to find our canvas, and we need to find our canvas width way down under. Canvas width divided by 2. Can I get a number 2? We get a number 2. Here we go. And Y. So we're just going to have that to the set to the radius of the ball. So however big the ball is. And I clicked the wrong radius, guys. So this is kind of like confusing to me. Well, not confusing to me, just a pain in the butt if I don't type it. But I'm trying to show you guys that because sometimes the typing doesn't work and I don't like it. So next we're going to program when ball 1 collided with other. So what we're going to have this do is whenever it collides with something, it's going to set the ball heading, if I can find heading, to 360 minus the current ball heading. What this will do is turn the ball 180 degrees around. So it'll just turn the ball into the opposite direction or anything in like, yeah, I think it is opposite direction, or it just bounce off, like say you hit a wall at a diagonal angle, then you bounce off and go the other way if you're a ball. So we're going to set this to, can I type a 360? Please tell me I can type a 360. Yay, it worked for me. That doesn't happen often, right? Right. Alright, so next we're going to set it, get our minus ball heading. I could have just copied and pasted the current ball heading, but I feel like going into the menu today. So next we're going to get our, when our image sprite is dragged. So this is when we drag our bar, our little banner down here, back and forth. What it's going to do is move back and forth, but only on the X. So what we're going to have this do is call image sprite to move to, stupid purple box, move to, XY. So we're going to have X is to get input current X. So what this will do is just move back and forth and back and forth and back and forth on the X, and then the Y is going to stay fixed to the image sprite's current Y. So it can't move up or down. Next, we need to have set up our reset button. So what this will do is when r.clicked, we're going to return the ball to wherever it started, and we need to set our score.text back to 0. And the 0 key didn't work if you guys saw that in the top left where it put my little text box. It was being stupid. And now I can't click. Uh-oh. Oh, we fixed it. That's good. So we got 0 right there, and now we need when ball reaches the edge. So whenever the ball hits the edge of the canvas, we need to get it all set up. So when ball edge reached, we are going to have the ball bounce. So ball 1, bounce, 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 bounce edge, and then we need to find our edge, get edge. Alright, and then now we need to set up our score. I'm not exactly sure how I want to set up the scoring for this. So what we have is whenever it hits that, it can bounce off, and then that adds a point. So when ball 1 collided with... Uh-oh. Okay, so when ball 1 collided with... Or... Wait, no. So, when image sprite collided with... Set score.text to score.text plus 1. And we'll go with that. So, let's find our score.text and our plus 1. Uh-oh, that's base 10 binary. Hey guys, so come to find out, when I put an item in the trash, it also crashes my recording software. As stupid as that is, I need to find a new recording software. If anyone has any recommendations on a free recording software that they could give me some pointers on getting all set up and working in good order, comment down below and we'll talk about it. You can message me privately, I'll give you that information and we can get talking about it. So, now that we have everything set up, we need to fire up the emulator. I'm going to do that real quick. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's see if our app will work today. So we're going to press start, and our ball fell, and it's bouncing. Every time it hits, it goes. I think I kind of want to add a speed aspect to this, but that is something we will save for a part 2. I also don't like the way the ball is kind of getting cut off, but I'll have to look into that more. And, I mean, we could go pretty far with this app. We could add it so when the score hits blanks, like another ball could fall and could be like a colored ball, and then the colored ball gives like a bonus or something. I don't know. You guys comment down below if you guys want me to expand on this and what I should do to it, what you guys want to see, and what else? Oh, if you guys have been following my MIT App Inventor tutorials, you know how I was promising a race car app. I am so sorry, guys, but this will replace that race car app. If you really do want to see a race car app, comment down below and I will make sure that happens. Make sure you remember to like and subscribe, because you guys are the absolute best. And if no one tells you they love you today, I do. You're the best. Have fun. Be you. And yeah, I love you today. And always, you're the best.